Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Raja Kalam Khan, teacher, GMS Kachama. Dear students, this is your math period. I teach you maths. And math, you have the mensuration. And mensuration, today my topic is about quadrilateral. Dear students, what is a quadrilateral? What is the meaning of quadrilateral? It is made of two words, quad and lateral. Quad means four, lateral means sides. A figure having four closer sides is called a quadrilateral. Look towards board, there are different shapes, figures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this 8. These are all called quadrilateral. A triangle is not called quadrilateral because it has three sides. So, quadrilateral is a figure which has four closed sides. Look, these figures, they are all four sides, they have four sides and they are closed figures. So gents, look this figure, suppose this is a quadrilateral and first it has four sides. Look this figure, this is side AB, side BC, side CD and side DA. Clear? Four sides AB, BC, CD, DA. It has four vertices. Corners mean four corners, four vertices. This is 1, this is 2, 3 and 4. At A1 corner was corner second, corner third and corner 4. That is A, B, C, D. These are its corners, four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, four corners. It has four angles. Third, see here, these are two vertices, AB and CB. They combine here. These are two rays or two arms. They bisect each other at this point, and here they form an angle. So first angle is angle ABC. Second angle is angle BCD. Third angle is angle CDA. And fourth angle is angle DAB. These are the four angles. Here one angle, here one angle, here one angle, here one angle. It has two parallel sides. This side AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. It has two opposite angles, angle A and angle C. These are opposite. Two opposite sides and two opposite angles. Two adjacent angles. That is angle A, angle B. These two are adjacent angles. These two are adjacent angles. This is opposite angle. A and C are opposite angles. Angle B and angle D are also opposite angles. Angle B, angle D. These are also opposite angles. And these are adjacent angles. So clear concept of this figure, that if closed figure which has four closed sides is called a quadrilateral. Quadri means four, lateral sides. So it is four-sided figure, AB, BC, CD, DA. This clear? Four vertices, this vertice, this, A, B, C, D, and four this angle, here angle, here angle, here angle, here are named these angle, angle ABC, angle BCD, angle CDA, angle DAB. These are four. Now look these figures. These are called quadrilateral. First quadrilateral, this a four-sided figure and its four sides are equal. AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CD, CD is equal to DA. These all sides are equal. And four parallel sides. This side is parallel to this side is parallel to this side is parallel to this. And four angles. But what? How much degree? 90 degree. So this is called a square. A square is having four equal sides, four parallel sides, and all the angles are 90 degree. Opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles are equal. And second figure, this is square. Second figure, it has two parallel sides. All angles are 90 degree, but not four sides are equal. Two opposite sides are equal. This figure for this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side, and angles are 90 degree. This is called rectangle. Third figure, this is called parallelogram. And this only difference that it has 490 degree angles, it has not 490 degree angles. It is two opposite sides are parallel, same is here two opposite sides, but these angles are not equal to 90 degree. Only difference that between rectangle and parallelogram, it has four sides, two opposite sides parallel, same here, but here all angles are 90 degree, here all angles are not 90 degree. So this is called a parallelogram. And this is rhombus. So what is a rhombus? It has four equal sides, same as square, but not all angles are 90 degree here. This angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, they are not 90 degree. It has opposite angles, like angle A is opposite to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. These are called opposite angles. And rhombus, they have four sides are parallel, but not four sides are equal, but not forming 90 degree as in case of square. So this is trapezium, trapezoid. It is two adjacent sides are equal only. Two sides, adjacent sides, this and two adjacent sides parallel, and two sides, this opposite sides, this side is parallel to this side. So on the side AC is parallel to side BD. And this is called kite. This is also parallelogram. A kite is formed by two isosceles triangles. Kite is formed by two isosceles triangles. Here, triangle A, D, B, and triangle C, B, D. To name any these two triangles, they form this figure, and this is called kite, and it has a common base. This is a common base of two. Common base. It has these two adjacent sides equal. AD is equal to AB, and this CD is equal to a second triangle CD, two sides, adjacent side CB. So dear students, this was all about quadrilateral. Hope you will understand all this and you will do the practice at your home. You find the area if you know the sides, and you can find the area of all these figures, area of square, area of rectangle, area of parallelogram, rhombus, trapeze. I will, in the next class, I will teach you how we find the area of this, but you try at your home. God bless you. Khuda Hafiz.